What's going on, everybody? Austin here. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new strategy for you to start making money online with the new website that you can see right now. The strategy has never been shown on this channel before, but before I can start telling you and showing you how you can do this, please subscribe, like this video so I can keep pushing out content like this. This strategy will not require you to have a website. It won't require you to have any physical products or anything of that nature. It will be an affiliate marketing or referral strategy using a new website so you could drive free traffic to something, a new product or service for you to start receiving commissions. So without further ado, let's dive into the computer. And as you can see here on this website, you can see it's a bunch of video content, almost identical to like TikTok or something like that. But before I tell you about what this is, I want to talk about what we're going to do. So let's jump over to a website called Feature Points. And if you don't know what Feature Points is, it's a place where you can earn rewards on your phone or the web with surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, stuff like that. It's one of those places where you can make a few dollars to do surveys and stuff. And this video is not about you. You're not going to be doing surveys. You're not going to be watching videos. You're not going to be doing anything like that. But this is where we're going to go for other people to use this platform so they can make money. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. But you're going to make money off of those people. So I'm going to show you. It's called an affiliate partnership. But you scroll down, they can win instant contests. They complete surveys and get paid and get cash back by downloading apps and stuff like that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to sign up or log in. It'll bring you over to the screen right here, and then you'll just need to sign up right here. Super simple to sign up. They'll send you an email verification, and then you'll be good to go. So real quick, I'm going to sign in. All right, as you can see, I'm in my dashboard right now. This is what your dashboard will look like. This is where you can do surveys and stuff if you want, but that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is for you to sign up and then come over here on the left-hand side. You can see surveys, offers, cash back, what you want to win, and how you can cash out right here. You can cash out in Bitcoin, cash, or gift cards. But what we want to focus on is this share with friends. So let's click that. And what this is this will be your referral link, also known as your affiliate link in many other videos that we talk about on this channel. So with this, you get unlimited free points, earn up to 50% of the points that your friends earn. So whenever your friends or your referrals earn points, you get 50%. If they earn 1,000 points, you get 500 points. If they earn 2,000 points, you get 1,000 points. And this is lifelong, so it's very powerful. And then you see here you're earning 25% of your referral points. Refer another 3 people and you'll earn 50%. So once you get 3 people, you get up to 50. Share your link, friends sign up, and you get all 50% of the points. So what you need to focus on is this link right here. You'll just want to copy it. We'll probably have to come back and copy it again, but that is your affiliate link that you need to share. And we're going to share it on that very first website I showed you. But before we go back to that website, I'm going to need you to come over to Pexels, or there's plenty of other websites, but Pexels, Pexels.com. It's a royalty-free platform where you could use stock images, stock videos, absolutely free at your disposal without having any legal lawsuits or anything like that, or you don't actually have to take the photos yourself. So let's type in something, since it's about surveys and making money online, or making money or wealth or finance. You could type in any keyword: money, wealth, finance, anything like that. You just want to something nice. We like videos. Videos are very favorited right now, especially on that website. So look through here. You could just look through videos, play them, see if you like them. This isn't bad. We'll use this for the sake of this video, but just you can scroll through here. You can see people counting money, something like that. Doesn't even matter what it is, but whatever you like, and then you're going to want to download it. So let's just use the first one. You'll want to click free download, and then as you can see, it downloaded on the bottom left-hand side, and then I can just open that up and I can save it. I'll just save it to my desktop so we can use it. Nope, not documents. Desktop, Pexels video. I'll just put money. And there we go. Then we'll want to now that you have your video, so you don't have to create any videos. Like I said, no website, no videos. You're going to want to go back to this first website. And you're probably wondering what website this is. But before I show you the website, make sure you do subscribe. like this video. I hope it's bringing you a ton of value for free. Anybody can do this. It doesn't take anything except a cell phone, really. You could download this app on your phone. You could download Pexels. You could access it on your phone, and you could also download feature points on your phone. So let's come back to this website or this app, and you're probably wondering what it is. It's Imgur.com, IMGUR. Again, it is also available on your phone. So what you're going to want to do is click sign up on the top right hand side. If you're on a phone, it'll be a different means. As you can see here, this is what you'll just create a username, email address, password, retype your password, and a phone number. If you want to know why they want your phone number, you just click this button. It tells you why, but you use it for authentication purposes, and it is a secure website, so there is no concern there. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right, so as you can see, I am signed into my account. My name is at the top right, and on the top left, we can see a button that says new post. If you're on a desktop, if you're on a phone, it'll be a little bit different, but you get the point. So we'll just hit new post. All right, as you can see, we could just drop our images here, choose photo or video. I'm just going to drag and drop the video that we have. This will be the video I got from Pexels. Again, there's plenty of other platforms you could use, like Pixabay, Pexels. There's all kinds of royalty-free websites. It's optimizing it right now. Once it gets in, we'll add a description here. You'll want to be sure to add tags. Tags are what allow your video to get viewed. So just do stuff like make money, hit enter, add another tag, do make money online, work from home, stuff like that. Just you'll add tags that allows your video to get viewed or noticed, kind of like hashtags for the most part. And then again, you'll want to add a description. We're going to keep this very simple for the sake of this video. This is one of the best apps I have found to make a few extra dollars per week from home. And then we'll just do a hyphen. And again, I've copied, we'll go back. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to take your referral link, you'll want to copy it, and you'll want to paste it in here. But this is a gray area. So websites like Imgur and any other websites really don't want your affiliate link featured in their in your posts. So there's multiple ways you could do this. I recently come across somebody that talks about just putting a space bar, like right here where it says like somewhere in here there's a put space right there, and then type the words remove spaces, something like that. Or you could also use another platform like Linktree, and you could come in here and you could create, put your URL links in there. Again, that's also another thing that some platforms don't like. So ultimately, I also like to go to sites.google.com. So right here, let me see. Well, here, let me just go to Google so you guys can see it. We'll go to Google and you go to sites.google. You see how it pops up? It's a free Google web hosting platform, sites.google.com right here. You'll click that, sign in with your email address, and then you could literally just build like a small article. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have another video that I just posted on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. For Google, it talks about using Google Sites to build a web page, and then you can put your affiliate link inside of that web page. But for the sake of this video, I'll just talk about doing this, spacing it out and saying remove spaces. And then once you want to publish this video, then you just publish the video and you are good to go. So you can post it to the community or hidden. Once you have to put a title in, make money online, whatever, and then post your video. See, now I can post it to the community. It's not mature, but obviously make a better top title than this. Post it to the community, and then it will go live and people can start getting views. And if they go through your link, then once they sign up, again, they'll be over here. Once they start doing surveys and stuff like that, you will start to get 50% of their affiliate. You'll start at 25%, but once you refer 3 people, it goes up to 50% of the amount of points that they earn for doing stuff absolutely free. I hope this was valuable to you. Again, this is a free way for you to start making, even if it's a few bucks a week or month, it'll add up over time as you continue to put content out there, and it will grow. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, smash the like button, leave a comment of any of the videos you want me to create, and we'll see you in the next one.